December the 30th. Cold air, quiet roads, just me, the bike, and a stretch of South Carolina back roads between Cowpens and Gaffney. This ride wasn't about miles, it was about gratitude. Those two-lane roads rolled gentle through here, old farms, long fences, bare trees standing patient like they've seen it all and they ain't in a hurry to say much. I keep thinking how lucky I've been this year. Still healthy enough to throw a leg over a bike, still strong enough to hold the bars steady, still clear-headed enough to enjoy the silence between engine notes. A lot of folks didn't get that this year. Some lost their health, some lost people they loved, some lost their way. And there I was, riding free, feeling the cold through my gloves, watching the road unwind in front of me. That's a gift, when you don't notice until you slow down enough to feel it. Motorcycling has a way of stripping life down to the basics: throttle, brake, balance. Pay attention or you'll pay the price. Life's the same way. You can't rush it, you can't fight it. You've got to ride the road you're given, not the one you wish you had. Between Cowpens and Gaffney, there ain't much showboating, just honest pavement, honest thoughts, and sometimes that's exactly what a man needs. I don't know about you guys, but riding these old roads is my time to reflect. Talk to God. Enjoy the sunshine. Even on days like this where the wind's whipping 50, 60 miles an hour, the sun's still shining. And I'm thankful for it. When I started this channel, it was just for ideas. I have another channel. Sometimes I needed to get out, clear my head. See, I'm a writer, sort of. can't actually create spooky stories without getting out and experiencing something. Inspiration has to come from somewhere. So this is how I get mine. Old buildings, old barns, old churches, cemeteries, especially the cemeteries. So I started recording. The older I get, the less I remember. So with video proof, I can always go back and watch. Remind myself of that idea about Jonestown Cemetery and how spooky it looked. And from there, create a story. What I didn't have any idea about was that people would actually enjoy watching an old man go down the road on a motorcycle. It still amazes me. The other reason I record is to keep a record of my travels. So when my road ends, my grandkids can go back and watch and say, hey, there's Poppy. He was cool. We know I'm not, but they don't. When you're out riding, what's going through your mind? Is it about the scenery, the landscape? Or are you talking to God? That's what I do. Or you thinking about what accessory to put on your motorcycle next? Me, I know that when I get home, watch the playback of the video, I'll say to myself, man, you need to change the camera angle. You need a better camera. You need a better microphone. And tomorrow, I'll go back out and ride with the same camera, mounted pretty much the same spot with the same microphone. And a lot of days, I ride and I don't even film. Believe it or not, filming is not second nature to me. I know most of the channels that do this probably plan a particular ride, a particular shot. I'm out here for me. Clear my mind, enjoy the ride. If you ever get the chance to come to South Carolina, here in the upstate, there's a lot of rich history, a lot of Civil War stuff. A lot of unique places to see. Historic. I don't think war is ever the answer, but that's how we got here. And being a veteran myself, I'm thankful to my brothers and sisters, past and present, because that's why I have the freedom to get out and do this. So if you're still following along at this point in the video, I guess you're tired of hearing me talk. So before I shut it down, I'll say this. Every ride I take, I'm reminded this isn't just about motorcycles. It's about being present, paying attention, being thankful for the road you're still able to ride. A lot of folks don't get this chance anymore. So if you're watching me, you're still healthy enough to ride, don't waste it. Ride honest, ride humble, and remember, none of this is promised. Psalm 121 verse 8 comes to mind. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore.